Hello everyone friends, you're on the CryptoPump channel and today I'm going to show you how to use Bybit for trading on your phone. We'll go through all the features of the app so you can start earning. This is a step-by-step guide, from spot trading to staking. It's suitable even for beginners with 100 USDT in their account. You'll learn how to launch trades and generate income. Ready? Let's get started. And if you want to be the first to learn about profitable trading strategies, relevant news, and earning opportunities, subscribe to our Telegram channel. There, we post fresh market information, share analytics, and tips that will help you earn rather than just watch prices. This is your chance to understand trading and get ideas to move forward. Click the link in the description. We're waiting for you in our community. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we release a lot of interesting content. We covered registration and funding earlier. Check out our past videos on the channel. Let's say you have 100 USDT in your account. We'll transfer it to the trading account and go through the features. First, open the Bybit app. At the bottom, click on Assets. You'll see 100 USDT in your spot wallet. Click on Transfer. Select Spot as the source and Trading as the destination. Enter 100 USDT. Click Confirm. The money will transfer to your trading account. Now it's ready for use. The first function is spot trading. Spot trading is when you buy or sell cryptocurrency directly, just like in a store. You pay the money, receive the product immediately, and it's yours. There are no future commitments. You simply exchange one currency for another at the current price or wait for yours. This is the easiest way for beginners to start earning on Bybit. Click on Trade at the bottom, then select Spot. Choose the BTC USDT pair and click on it. The screen opens. At the top is the price chart, on the right is the order book with buy and sell orders, and at the bottom are the buy and sell buttons. Click Buy. There are two options. Market. You enter the amount, for example, 50 USDT, click Confirm, and Bitcoin will appear in your account at the current price immediately. Or Limit. You set a price lower than the current one, enter the amount, click Confirm, and the order waits until the price reaches your level. To sell, click Sell, enter half of what you bought, and click Confirm. Part of the USDT comes back. Check in Assets. Everything is in place. Now, please like this video, and we'll move on to futures trading. Futures are contracts where you bet on price changes in the future without buying the cryptocurrency directly. You agree on a price now, but the transaction is executed later. Here, you can use leverage to trade for a larger amount than you have, but if the market goes against you, your losses will also increase. This is a way to profit from price rises or falls without owning the asset. Click on Trade at the bottom, then select Futures. Choose the BTC USDT pair and click on it. The screen opens. At the top is the price chart, on the right is the order book with buy and sell orders, and at the bottom is the position section for open trades. Click Open Position. Choose your leverage. The higher it is, the greater the risk. Decide to buy if you expect a rise or sell if you expect a fall. Enter the amount, for example, 30 USDT, and click Confirm. Your position will be opened. To manage profits and losses, you can set a take profit and stop loss in advance. These are prices you set before opening a trade, so the exchange automatically buys or sells the asset when the price reaches them. A take profit is the level where you lock in your profit. For example, if you bought BTC at 85,000 USDT, you set a take profit at 100,000. When this price is reached, the position will close and you'll take your profit. A stop loss is the loss limit. For instance, at 80,000, if the price falls there, the trade will close to prevent further losses. In positions, click Adjust, enter these values and confirm. Now everything works automatically. You can also close the position manually. If the price moves in your favor, go to Positions, click Close, confirm, and take your profit. If the price goes against you, you can close it manually earlier or wait for the stop loss to trigger. Check the results in Assets. The third function is copy trading. Copy trading allows you to replicate the trades of experienced traders without having to understand the market yourself. You allocate funds, and the selected pro trades on your behalf, sharing a portion of their profits. This is convenient for beginners who want to earn but don't know how to analyze the market, or for those who don't have time to trade. Your task is to find a reliable trader and monitor the results. Click on Copy at the bottom of the app. A list of traders opens, showing their statistics, how much they've earned, how many trades they've conducted, and how often they win. This helps you understand who is consistently profitable. Choose a trader with good results. Click Copy. Enter the amount, for example, 20 USDT, and click Confirm. After this, their trades will automatically replicate in your account, and you'll receive a share of the profits from their successes. Check Assets. You can see how your balance changes based on the trader's actions. If you want to stop, in the Copy section, click Stop Copying, Confirm, and the funds will return to your account. The fourth function is trading bots. Bots are programs that automatically trade for you on the exchange, executing buys and sells based on the rules you set. There are different types, for spot trading, futures, or even mixed, depending on how you want to trade. Why are they needed? To save time, remove emotions from trading and seize market opportunities 24/7 while you sleep or are busy. On Bybit, they are used to trade crypto such as BTC or XRP without constant monitoring. You set the strategy and the bot does the rest. Click on Trade at the bottom of the app, then select Bots. A menu opens where you can choose the type of bot, for spot or futures, and a strategy such as grid. This is when the bot places multiple buy and sell orders within a specified price range. Choose a pair, for example, BTC USDT, and click Create. Next, enter the amount, say 30 USDT. Set the price range where the bot will operate, and click Confirm. The bot starts and begins trading on its own. How does it work? The bot monitors the market in real time, tracking price, trading volume, and chart movement. If the price drops to the level where you said buy, it buys. And if it rises to the level sell, it sells. For example, in the grid, it divides your range into small steps. Buys at 5,000 USDT, sells at 5,010 USDT, and repeats many times, taking small profits from each step. All of this is done automatically through the exchange's API. The bot is directly connected to your account and executes orders faster than you can click. You can see the results in Assets. That's where your balance is displayed. Want to stop? In the Bots section, find your active bot, click Stop, Confirm, and it will turn off, leaving the earnings in your account. The key is to choose a strategy suited to the market. Grid is good when prices fluctuate up and down, but if the market moves sharply, the bot may not react in time, so check on it occasionally. The fifth function is Options. Options are contracts where you bet on whether the price of a cryptocurrency will rise or fall by a specific time. You don't buy the crypto itself, you merely predict its movement. If you predict correctly, you earn a profit. If not, you only lose the amount you invested. Why is this useful? It allows you to profit from the market without significant investments and without holding assets, especially if you are confident in your prediction. It's simpler than futures, but requires accuracy in forecasting. Click on Trade at the bottom of the app, then select Options. The screen opens with pairs, for example, BTC USDT, expiration times, when the contract will close, and the price chart. You see the current price and can choose where it will go, up or down. Choose Buy if you think the price will rise, or Sell if you expect a decline. Enter the amount, for example, 20 USDT. This is your bet. Click Confirm. The contract will start. You don't need to do anything until the expiration. The system monitors the price automatically. When the time is up, check the result in Assets. If you guessed correctly, the profit will come automatically. For example, 30-40 USDT from your bet, depending on the conditions. If you were wrong, you only lose the 20 USDT, nothing more. This is a quick way to test your predictions. The sixth function is margin trading. Margin trading is when you borrow money or crypto from the exchange to trade on the spot market with a larger amount than you have. You buy or sell real assets that you can later withdraw, but you pay interest on the loan every hour. Why is this useful? To increase profits if the market moves in your favor, or to profit from a price drop by borrowing and selling the asset. Unlike futures, here you own the crypto, not the contracts, and there's no expiration. You can hold the position as long as you have funds in your account. Click on Trade at the bottom of the app, then select Spot. Choose a pair, for example BTC USDT, and click on it. The screen opens. At the top is the price chart, on the right is the order book with bids, and at the bottom are the buy and sell buttons, plus leverage settings. Choose your leverage. For example, 3. This means that with your 30 USDT, the exchange will add 60 USDT, allowing you to trade with 90 USDT. Enable the margin slider, click Buy or Sell, enter the amount, 30 USDT, and click Confirm. Your position is now open. How does it work? If you bought BTC for 90 USDT with X3 leverage and the price increased by 10%, you sell for 99 USDT, pay back the exchange 60 USDT, plus interest, for example 0.1 USDT, and your profit is around 8.9 USDT instead of 3 USDT without leverage. But if the price drops by 10%, your loss is 9 USDT, and considering the loan and interest, you lose more than you invested. The exchange monitors the margin level. If it falls, for example, below 20% of the loan, you will be liquidated. The position will close automatically, and you will lose your 30 USDT. To manage risks, there are stop loss and take profit options. To close a position manually, simply sell BTC at the market price. Check your balance in Assets. The seventh function is staking. Staking is when you deposit your money or crypto on the exchange for a specific period or without a term, so they earn you interest, similar to a bank deposit. You lend your assets to the platform, and it pays you income for this, usually between 1% and 10% annually, depending on the terms. Why is this useful? To earn passively without active trading, simply by keeping money in your account. On Bybit, this is a safe way for beginners to generate profit, but you need to choose flexible staking, withdraw anytime, or fixed staking, wait until the term ends. Click on Earn at the bottom of the app. A list of available assets opens: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Choose USDT, for example, and click Deposit. You will see two options: flexible, withdraw anytime, or fixed. Funds are locked for a term, for example 30 days, with a higher interest rate. Choose flexible, enter the amount, say 50 USDT, and click Confirm. Staking begins. How does it work? Your 50 USDT sits on the exchange, and every day you earn interest. For example, at 5% annually, that's about 68 10,000ths USDT per day. The money isn't traded, it simply sits there, generating income. In fixed, the interest is higher, for example 8% over 30 days. But you can't withdraw early. After 30 days, you'll receive 50 USDT plus about 3,300ths USDT in profit. Everything is credited automatically, without your involvement. Check your earnings in Assets. This shows how much has been added. For flexible, at any moment, go to Earn, click Withdraw, enter the amount, confirm. The money returns to your account. For fixed, wait until the term ends, then in Assets, collect everything with the interest. This is a simple way to put your money to work without the risks of trading. Friends, now you know how to trade on Bybit using your phone. This is a step-by-step plan to start earning with 100 USDT. Want more tips and trading ideas? Join our Telegram channel and chat. There, you'll find up-to-date strategies and support for beginners. The link is in the description, so join us. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Crypto Pump, like the video, hit the bell. See you next time.